It all depends on the placement results of the diagnostic assessment that you've done. So we tend to, depending on if your English levels are very low, then we will definitely recommend that you start with English. If your English is quite high, you then will have the option to start with maths. The whole approach is your maths is in English. So you need to have a certain level of English understanding so that you can cope when we train the numeracy or the maths content. So if you are a pre-abbot or a completely illiterate learner, we will definitely recommend that you start with English first. It gives you a good foundation and it makes the rest of the training much better and easier. And it also assists your facilitator, and we also keep within the normal contact time, which we normally recommend is 120 hours per subject. Many companies share these hurdles. Book a quick chat for answers for your site.